All right, class, we're ready to start making our own Anansi spiders. This is about what the final product should look like. Everybody might have a different kind of pattern, but you'll all have these legs that are bending down. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So we're going to start off once you have your name on the back and you've drawn a spider web. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put Anansi's body on. And his body, in the book by Gerald McDermott, is a triangle shape. And that triangle shape points down. So we're just going to start with glue stick, and we'll put blue on the black. It needs to come out only just about that much. All right. And we put it down right in the middle, okay? Now the next thing we're going to do is we are going to put on the head. Okay? Now the head is going to be a teardrop-like shape, if you remember. So this is our template. We're going to use a template. We're going to draw our own head, most of us. So we'll place it on the black paper, and we take a crayon, something white or bright enough that you can see it, and we're going to trace around it. We touch the side of the template. It's okay to get a little bit of crayon on the template. But there it is. We should have a teardrop shape, and then we're going to cut it out along that white. And we're going to follow the way that the illustrator Gerald McDermott made his spider. So his Anansi spider, that teardrop shape, you might usually see it like this, or like a raindrop or a teardrop. We're going to turn it upside down. So the point should be facing down, and it's going to overlap the triangle just a bit. Not like that. See, it's sticking off the paper, but like that. It's going to overlap that triangle just a bit. So again, we'll put some glue on the back. That's enough. And right there, okay? So now here's kind of the fun part. Now we're going to make the legs. And remember, we need 4 legs on each side. So we're going to have strips like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4 for that side. And 1, 2, 3, 4 for this side. Now what we're going to do for all these legs is we're going to bend them, okay? Because we want it to look like this. The spiders, they have elbows. Or you call them kneecaps. So I will call them elbows. That's better. So we're going to bend it down. But we're going to bend it like this so that we can make kind of a V shape. All right? And if you want, you can even you can try to take all 4 at once and bend them all in a V shape like that. Okay? So now they're ready to go on, and they're going to be pointing downwards. And we only need to put glue on the very end like that. They can kind of dangle. So there's 1. If you want, you could put the glue on this part. There's a second leg. 3. And 4. So we do the same thing here. I think that's easy to put glue right there. So again, we're going to take these legs, bend them down into a V. All right? Like that. Once again, you could try to take them all at the same time. If you do, try to hold them all together and bend that V shape. There's the V. Okay. 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to move mine up a little bit. Change so you can see all the legs. All right, so now the leg's on, and now we're ready to make the pattern, which I'll show you next.